Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. My name is Andrea Mason, your global voice. And today I've misplaced my mic, of course. It is such a crazy situation when you can't find things that you literally had 5 minutes before. But before I get into that, I want to thank you so much. My name is Andrea Mason, your global voice, certified under the mentorship of the legendary Dr. Les Brown and your personal accountability coach. You ever get ready for an event and trying to figure out how much time you have, how you can budget your time, and of course there's a plane flying over all my videos. It's just always happens, but it is fine. It's all right. Don't worry about it. At least you know I'm coming to you live. But anyways, getting back to the situation, when you have events, when you have multiple tasks in your schedule and your agenda that you have to adhere to, how do you budget it? How do you find the time to get everything done? And are you spreading yourself too thin? So many more times often than none, we are always willing and ready to help others. But truth be told, we put ourselves last, and this is a huge problem for not only ourselves, but our mental health, our tasks and goals that we want to achieve, our dreams, and the life we want to create. So I want you to really take ownership in how you are using your time. We all have the same amount of time, 24 hours in a day. And I've mentioned this in other videos, but I really want to take you into great depth that when you plan life according to you, press play, the life transformational journey that I walk beside each individual, is you have to be mindful of the priorities in life, the personal goals you want to achieve, the professional goals, and the passionate goals that you want to achieve. And for some reason, society has put a stamp on us so that if we say no to others, that we're being selfish and that we're not taking the time or the efforts to help anyone out. Well, I've mentioned this before. You can't help others if you don't have energy, your mental health, stability, physical capability, and strength. That's all the number one thing. And I've mentioned this before, and this has been one of the topics that a lot of people, have, based on your views, have watched. Time. Time can neither be wasted nor taken advantage of, and can literally be lost. And it's how you budget your time is how you're going to be an effective worker, employee, family member, support system, and to be quite honest, feel comfortable in your own skin and succeed. Want to learn how to succeed? You must learn how to prioritize. You must have to keep in order, discipline, determination, drive, dedication. Today's day and age, the past couple of years have been a blur, and we have, for some of us, lost 2 to 3 years because we are in constant turmoil. Well, rather than complain and focus on what you don't have, you've heard this from the late great Bob Proctor, focus on what you do have and how you can elevate your gifts, skills, and talents and utilize them not only for influence and impact, but eventually bring in income. Your time is valuable. Your time is what you make of it. And when we start playing the name game, the blame game, and pointing fingers at others, then we are not fully focused on what we're set out to do. Yes, everything can't be planned. That was one video I talked about. Certain times life comes and hiccups arise. But allow yourself to be flexible. Allow yourself to be patient and easy with yourself. Because the more you put on your plate, the more it's going to overflow and you're going to be frustrated and then have a perspective within yourself. I've had it before that you are not reliable, you're not good enough, you're not meeting your expectations. As a woman of integrity and as promised, I make sure that I make time for the important and priorities in life. And at the same token, I have a counterbalance where I allow time for things to go awry. Sometimes I don't plan things when it comes to family fun, when it comes to events. I just see where the day takes me. And as I've heard with others, that's usually when the greatest days are. So allow yourself to be patient, allow yourself to persevere, but allow yourself to be realistic on assessing your goals, assessing your time, and making sure that you have it balanced out. Because if you don't have balance, you don't have discipline, you don't have flexibility for the uncommon and unexpected hiccups in life, then you're going to be riding the hamster wheel of life with doubts, fear, and sadness. You have a choice, free will. You have the opportunity to make your time valuable and how you want to use it. Again, time is precious, and to be honest, time is limited. We don't have that timestamp of when we move on from this place. So make it valuable, make it memorable, and make it yours. I thank you for listening. I thank you for watching. My name is Andrea Mason, your global voice, certified under the mentorship of the legendary motivational speaker, Dr. Les Brown, and your personal accountability coach. Need to budget your time? Need to balance life? Need to make sure your mental health is intact? Connect with me, AndreaMasons.com. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, redeem your gift so you can enjoy time. Thank you for listening. Be well.